Now that we have installed the app onto our iPhone, it will direct us to this screen. From here, you're going to select Organizer. And from here, you're going to go to the top right corner. And then at the bottom there, click on Create an Account. So we're going to create an account under our name and our email. And then we're going to select what role are you? Are you a parent, assistant coach, organizer, or coach? Let's select coach. And I'm going to enter our password. And then we're going to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. And then click on Create Account. And we are now done creating an account on CourtClok. Let's go to the next step.